Hi friends, welcome to Krishi's Corner. Today we are going to see a medicinal drink which is called Kashayam in Tamil. This is water extract of few medicinal herbs which helps us to get relief from cold, cough and other respiratory problems. These medicinal herbs are used by Tamilians in their daily routine life. I have released this video in English as per the request of my North Indian friends. We can see what are all the medicinal herbs we are used in this Kashayam. I have taken 1 lemon which I have cut into 8 halves, 1 inch of ginger, that is Adarak in Hindi, 1 inch of Chittarattai, that is Kulanjan in Hindi, and 5 to 6 pieces of tipli, that is pipli in Hindi and long pepper in English. Also I have taken Adimadram of 1 inch, that is meloti or licorice, 1 teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin seeds, and half teaspoon of pepper, black pepper, that is kala mirch, and 2 leaves of neem, that is neem ka pati. Also I have taken half spoon of haldi, that is turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoon of nattu sakrai, that is jaggery powder, chini in Hindi. Now I have taken the dry ingredients in a mortar. You just crush the ingredients in this, or you can also use a mixie to grind it. I have coarsely grinded the ingredients. It's not necessary to make it as a fine powder. Coarsely grinded or crushed is enough. Now add the ginger and also crush it. Now take a vessel and add all the ingredients in it. I have added the crushed ingredients and also the lemon and neem leaf in it. Also you can add the turmeric powder and jaggery powder in it. Now add 4 tumblers of water in it. Now you can switch on the stove and bring it to a boil. I have taken ingredients to make 4 tumblers of water. So 4 persons can drink this Kashayam. Now the water extract has started boiling and it came to a rolling boil. Now you can switch off the stove at this time. Now take a glass and use a filter to filter all the ingredients and separate the water from it. Now the water extract from medicinal herbs, that is the Kashayam, is ready to serve now. So it serves for 4 people. If you feel this water is too spicy, you can add more jaggery powder and you can drink it. You can drink this water twice a day for 4 to 5 days. And you will get immediate cure when you drink this water. Try making this Kashayam and give your comments below. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, share my recipes with your friends and family. Thank you so much and thank you for watching.